So can you see the light between the bulb and the pipe? The bulb is literally floating off of the pipe, barely not touching. This is straight from the factory. Of course, you know, Courier is just as janky as the cheapest Chinese Pioneer or Mr. Good, Mr. Cool. So when you want quality and you're buying a Courier, well, don't think so much. So there is no way to fix this, because what they did was, this is so short in this area, it physically collides here, it physically collides here, and as you can see, it literally, by hitting this right here, it literally forces it at an angle. And so you go on two circles, you got a circle and your circle, and when you slide two circles that are round cylinders together, you only get a contact point. I bet you there's not even 1 millimeter of contact point in the middle, and that's it. This is what you have when you have supposedly an American-made product. Is this one assembled in Mexico? Don't know, but this is the quality of Carrier.